everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout today. And today I am going to use a lot of Creative Memories product. I'm starting out with that green paper, which is from the Creative Memories Endless Meadows collection. It's from the Tone on Tone paper pack. And I'm going to put that floral paper, which is the Garden Friends paper, Garden Friends collection, the designer paper pack from that. Then I'm going to mount this photo of a sign right on that blue plaid paper, which is Garden Friends as well, the designer paper pack. And then I had this little scrap of bee paper, and there's bees in the background of the floral paper there. So I'm adding that in. That's again from the Garden Friends paper pack. I actually think that was the back of something else, and I don't remember what it was. Might have been the blue paper or something, plaid paper. Anyway, so I'm going to ink all the paper edges here with my Memento Dewdrop ink. And then I'm going to mount all of that onto another piece of the green paper, so the cutout from the border paper, basically. This has bees on it, and that's kind of important to this because this is just a reminder. A friend and I met for dinner right before Christmas, and we went to this wonderful restaurant in the big city near me called Tupelo Honey, and it was a lot of southern food. And I did take a couple of other pictures in the restaurant that didn't work out as well, or one other picture didn't work out as well. And I was being careful about not taking pictures of other people if I could help it, because they could see what I was doing. Anyway, lots of cute signs, great decor. And then on the way out, they had this wall of like grass and foliage, and then this Kiss My Grits sign. And we used to watch Alice when I was a kid, for those of you who are old enough, and that was Flo's kind of thing. And my sister used to love to say that, even though, it wasn't really the nicest saying. So it reminds me of my sister, my childhood, and then of this amazing dinner I had. So I just added in that tab from American Crafts. It's the Memory Planner tab. And then I'm adding in that journaling card to the right, which is from the NSD, or National Scrapbook Day collection, the foil die cuts from that collection. And then I'm just pulling in more die cuts from that same collection. So I'm adding in the birds and the leaves here. I found a little phrase that says basket full of goodies, which it was. I had the most amazing shrimp and grits I have ever had. I tried not to think about the calories as I was eating them, because I'm sure it was just crazy amounts of calories, but it was so good. And then I found this sticker here from the NSD 2022 sticker pack. And then I'll add that in. And I am putting some of these pieces, like these birds, up a little bit so that there's a little bit of difference there. So the charcuterie board is up on from that sticker pack, and then the also that the two birds are up. So I'm just kind of getting that down. And then I found these beef stickers on that NSD 2022 stickers, and that just seemed appropriate because obviously I have bees all over this layout, and it's the honey piece. The name of the restaurant is Tupelo Honey, which you'll see me work with in just a second. I found this die cut from that the NSD foil die cuts, and it says blissful. So that's sort of how I felt about the food, and I just thought that worked. I'm one of those people, as I'm getting close to the end of embellishments, I like to try to use up what I can, just because why have them around? And this fit really well with the layout. It was wonderful time spent with a friend, and the food was every bit as good as that as well. So just adding those in, adding more bees here. I think I put 3 of them on the layout. I think those were the 3 bees from that sticker pack. So that was awesome that I have those done. And so, some of these things are reminders for, like, the photograph itself seems like a little bit ridiculous, kind of silly, but it's such a big memory of my childhood. It's a little nod to that, like I just said, but also a nod to the restaurant. And of course, I didn't think about taking a picture of my food until after it was all eaten. I hate that when I do that, but that happens every so often. All right. So then I'm just, now I want to, add some things in. I also do need to decorate the tab. I am aware of that as well too, or I don't have to, but I want to. It's bright green like it is on the sign is, but I would like to kind of tone down that color a little bit by doing something there. I am adding in some enamel dots from Altenuit's The Pocket Full of Sunshine enamel dots. And you're seeing a little bit of yellow right now. There's definitely yellow in the bees and then that bird. So those enamel dots are helping bring that out. And then I'm also in my head thinking that I want to do a yellow alpha for the title because of the restaurant's name is Tupelo Honey. So I thought it would be cool to have some honey, some yellow included, and have the alpha in yellow as well too. And that pops off. So it's nice because I have a blue, yellow, and green theme going there. It works really well. Those alpha stickers are Ellie's Studio, the Jane alpha. I don't have much in this color for an alpha in yellow, so I'm really glad that I was able to do this at least in the stickers. I know I don't have any American Cross Stickers alphas in this, so I'm happy about that. And I didn't stick them all the way down because I wasn't sure if I was going to get the title kind of like I liked it. I just used my brayer. That was a tip that I got from Rachel a few years ago for sure now. And that kind of helps your stickers stay down. So then I found this old Amy Tangerine Remarks Alpha. They call them Alpha stickers, but really they're phrase stickers. And I'm going to use Let's Get Together. And then on the list, it was on our list of places to go because it's I don't know that it's a new restaurant, but it's one we hadn't been to. And then I'll add Keeper on the bottom just to get another. I wanted that to go into the bottom, something phrase sticker to go into the bottom cluster as well. All right, you guys, there is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.